Today's adventures, we're in the home habitat of where the king turds live. Don't forget guys, they're real rare. It's rare if you actually see one. But yes, this is a different habitat for the king turds. King turds propagate in by these areas here. Look and see if we can see some deers. Mushrooms.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. These are mushrooms you take when you get high. These must be sources of food for the infamous rare king turd. Eat them kind of mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms. Yes. For all the people out there to check them out, probably get smashed off them. Yeah, that's
But
proper
it's
unusual.
in the circle.
Yeah, the colour of it.
It is in the circle. That's all you got to do is follow the circles. And again, the small
What,
one.
like follow the yellow brick road? Yeah. Lots of mushrooms. It's like an umbrella. It's like inside out.
Yeah, that's what I call it.
Again guys, like I say, main source of food for the king turds. A very rare king turd. Really weird mushrooms. Oops.
Ooh, sorry, mate.
No sign of Bigfoot yet. Oh here it is. Oh dears. Oh, the elusive king turd. Creep along in his woodland area, his Jurassic area, looking for the turd, the king of all turds.
I just got tapped on the shoulder.
That's a big one. Look at that. That's amazing. But I'll fuck you up if you ate it. Poison the shit out of it.
Still there. I'm surprised.
Fucking hell. There it is. Look.
Oh yeah, let's open it. Let's open up there.
Yeah, it's a new one we haven't seen. Size of that.
Oh yeah. But is it a toadstool or mushroom?
Not sure. It's a toadstool mushroom.
Oh, what's that? I wonder if there's any more. Oh, hey.